Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. And I want to thank you for stopping by and visiting my channel today. And I really appreciate that. And if this is your first time visiting my channel today, you've been missing out on a lot of good stuff. So make sure you don't miss out on anything else because I put out regular content on how to help you build your online business. So right now, before you do anything else, right now, if this is your first time, click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. And click on the bell on top of that so that you get notification when I put out new content, which I do on a very regular basis. So today, I'm going to dive into a topic that might seem a little intimidating to some, but honestly, it's an absolute game changer for me as an online marketer. And that's called artificial intelligence, AI. Many people fear it. Many people are afraid of AI, but I will tell you, I embrace it because it makes life so much easier, especially when it comes to building my Nexus rewards and my LiveGood business. So in this video, I'm sharing the top ways that I use AI to supercharge my efforts and build a profitable business. So let's get started. First thing, uh, AI driven content creation. I mean, this is a massive time saver. Trust me. I mean, AI tools can quickly generate engaging content from blog posts to social media captions, even YouTube videos, all tailored to your target audience. And this helps you maintain a consistent online presence without all the heavy lifting, you know. And how you would use it in that way is all you need to do is input specific prompts into your AI tools to create content that aligns perfectly with your brand. You can use the content to regularly update your blog, your social media, your email campaigns, keeping your audience engaged and informed. You can even use AI to generate images that you create in your mind. You know, you may not be an artist because I know I'm not. Uh, and you can put that prompt in the AI tool. It will create the image like you want it, which you can then use on your blog post, your social media, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. Um, Another way that I use AI uh, in my business is to personalize email campaigns. AI is brilliant uh, at analyzing subscriber data to craft highly personalized emails, which leads to better open rates and higher conversions. And so you want to get your emails open, and of course you want to get the conversion. That's how you get your sales, right? So you can leverage AI-driven email platforms to segment your list and automate personalized messages based on user behavior, like past purchases or if they're engaging. And this will ensure that your emails are relevant and valuable to each subscriber on your list. Another way is SEO. Um, AI can play a crucial role in enhancing SEO strategies. I use it all the time on my blogs. It can optimize your SEO efforts by identifying trending keywords and help you create content that ranks well on search engines. And so when your content is ranking high or ranking well on the search engines, then that draws people to your post or your social media, whatever it may be, to get eyeballs on your content. And that's the key. So you can use AI powered SEO search engine optimization tools to discover high potential keywords and optimize your site's content. Regularly updating your strategy based on AI insights will keep your website performing well in the search results. And so by being well search results, it draws people to your post, and the post should be promoting whatever you're selling. Right? Another way to use AI powered chatbots AI is chatbots. Now, I don't personally use chat. Well, I'm tongue tied today. Chat bots myself, but I mean, these are great tools. I mean, they can handle customer inquiries and guide prospects through your sales funnel, which boosts engagement and conversions. You can deploy chatbots on your website or even social media to answer common questions and assist users in taking the next step, like signing up or purchasing. It really is. Chatbots really are like a 24/7, 365 days assistant working for you, right? Because it'll work on holidays, it'll work on the weekends, while you sit back relaxing and drinking your Mai Tai or whatever. All right. Another way you can use uh, AI is predictive analytics. I mean, that's a powerful tool in the AI arsenal because it can predict customer behavior and market trends, allowing you to focus on the most profitable marketing strategies. So you would use your AI tool to analyze your data and make informed decisions on where to focus your efforts for the highest return. I mean, this means you can spend less time guessing and more time implementing strategies that work. And I think the last thing that I want to emphasize or talk about is using AI tools to automate your social media management. I mean, you can schedule posts, you can analyze engagement, you can generate content ideas based on current trends. You can generate content based on well, let me say, for example, if you're reading a Facebook post, right, you can use the AI to take that Facebook post and generate a response to that, a comment, if you would. Okay. And so you generate those comments that draws people's attention. You don't have to promote it. You don't have to use the content to promote your product, which would be wrong on somebody else's post. But the more that you're generating content, the more people are going to see you as an authority figure. So when you're using the AI tool to analyze a post and make a comment that's relevant to that post, we're going to go, oh, Dan Fox is pretty smart. So yeah, you can use it to generate content. You can optimize your posting times and keep your audience engaged with relevant content. It's an effortless way to maintain a strong online presence. I mean, I use social media a lot to build my online business. So that's why I use the AI tools to help me have a good presence on social media. Now, as I close, you might be wondering what tools I'm actually using to make all this happen. Honestly, I use a variety of AI tools, both free and paid, and I use them every day. I've listed a few in the description below. I can't list them all because if I listed all the tools that I use, the description would go on and on and on. But I list in the description, I put in the description a list of the key ones that I use on an everyday basis. Okay. Ones I use to generate content, ones I use to generate images, et cetera, et cetera. So check them out. Like I said, some are free, some are paid, but use them. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. These AI strategies can supercharge your affiliate and network marketing efforts, leading to higher engagement, better conversions, and more efficient campaigns. And in the end, what it's doing is making you sales. So don't be afraid to use it. It's the way of the future, my friends. It's the way of the future. So take advantage of it. Use it. All right. Don't get left behind. All right. We're not using 8 tracks anymore. We're not using cassette players anymore. Heck, a lot of people aren't even using DVDs anymore because everything's streaming. Technology changes, and you've got to keep up with the changes, my friend. All right. So if you found this video helpful to you, hopefully you did. It would help me out a lot if you click on the like button. All right. Give me a thumbs up. That helps with my algorithm. Okay. So I would appreciate that. And comment. If you found something helpful in this video, comment. Tell me what you got out of it. I love comments, good, bad, or indifferent, honestly. And I will respond to the comments. And again, if this is your first time here, I'm glad you're here. But now's the time to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on anything that I have in the future. So that's it. That's all I got for you today, my friends. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, and you have a fox-tastic day.